Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change brake pads on a 2008 Chevy Aveo. So stay connected with me. So very first thing, to change your rotors, lift your car using a jack and open that tire. So after taking out the tires, you have to open the caliper. So these are two caliper bolts which you have to open. These are 14 mm. So you can use ratchet and socket to open this up. So these are 14 mm. Just open these two of them and your caliper will come out. After taking the caliper out, you can take out your pads using your hand, or you can use screwdriver to pull them out. As you can see, these are pretty done. So we are changing the new ones which we got it from Max Advanced brake pads and rotors. So to put your new pads here, you have to pull your piston back. Before pulling that thing back, you have to open the brake fluid reservoir so that when you are pushing it back, the fluid will come up, the level will raise up. So make sure it's open. And to pull that thing back, you can use so you need that thing to pull that thing back. So let me show you how to do it. You can put your pad here, you can open this all the way up so that it will fit like this, and you can start rotating clockwise and it will go all the way down. So once you are done with pulling it back, it should look like this. So our next step is to check our caliper pins. They should move like this. If you are pushing it down and it's not coming out, you have to pull it out and you have to grease them to move like this. So both pins are pretty good. So let's put our brake pads. Before that, we have to put pins over there. So we are replacing our brake pads with Max Advanced brakes, which we got it from Amazon. So these are our new pads and that's our old pad. So you can see it's almost gone. So before putting these pads on your car, so put some grease that side, because that part is gonna move, and on top of this one. So just put a little bit grease so that they move freely. So once you put your brake pad, it should like this. Now next step is to put your caliper. You can put some grease here and then you can put your caliper back like this. You have to push your pins a little bit down so that it will fit here. So let me show you guys. So after putting caliper back, you have to put these two bolts. These are 14 mm. You can just hand tight them, and yeah, the same thing you can do it for the another side of the car. Once you are done, start the car and make sure press your pedal 4 or 5 times to make a proper pressure on brakes. So guys, that's how you can change your brake pads. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel guys. Have a good one.